Hello fellow YouTubers. Here's a update for this past week. Just some shots of the layout that's been completed. And then towards the end of this video you'll see where I'm at this last week. Ran out of track, ran out of supplies, so I'm waiting now. So I'm just kind of catching up with a few things. Doing some wiring, doing some switch control install, things like that, but it's coming along pretty good.
Well, now I got this switch connected and powered up, and that goes underneath this overpass for the tunnel, or the bridges are, and comes through this little double tunnel. My brother made these portals for 2023, the year the layout was built. Got this switch in, and it comes into a 072Y. And this will be the lead entrance to the passenger yard and some freight. So you can see it started. Got some foam down and track ready to go on. I'll start that tomorrow probably. Anyway, it goes out the other way. Both ways can feed into this for freight or passenger. And I got this switch powered up. And then the one across the way is powered coming out of the other yard. And I finally got all the switches in from Mr. Muffin to get the Lawrence yard done. So all those switches are in and powered up. And here's the actual yard. And it goes all the way down there. It has a holding track for engines or caboose or whatever. Then I decided to put a couple more Ys in here and a cross track, so those are on order.
This shows you the progress of the passenger and freight yard. I pretty much ran out of all my old track and new track and all the supplies that I've had accumulated. So I had to order a few more things to kind of finish this area up, but it's coming along. Anyway, I appreciate you following the channel. Thank you for all the new subscribers. And keep watching. It's going to continue to grow. Thanks, and have a great day.